Hello everyone, hope you're all having an amazing day. I haven't done a house update for you guys for a while, and I'm gonna give you guys a little quick update before we get going for today. So you guys have seen that we have a full living room. We actually got a little table right there with actually some drawings that I made when I was in kindergarten. You guys should know I've been a car enthusiast for a long time. That's a tree. But I drew a Ferrari. This was in probably like 3rd grade or so. There you go, I used to race dirt bikes. How funny is this? So many dirt bike pictures. SpongeBob, I used to watch SpongeBob. That's my flex for today. Yeah, and then so this is kind of funny. I would draw the car, and then I'd draw it crashed. And then my mom made coasters for our house. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So that's what I used to do as a kid. I was a really big drawer. Anyways, that's not it. We have a table in the dining room, but we actually just painted this room. Or Victoria did. I mean, it's a little bit darker. It's looking so good. It took her a little while. And I actually moved my PC setup upstairs. So now I have just my office, and then I have still a mess. I need to put my music stuff up here. But now I stream up here, and I left my shoes on the ground. First off, I'm just gonna say it. Somebody buy this so I can buy a Supra. And this car, we're finally going to get the mods rolling and started. Look at these old Japanese, these beautiful Japanese seats, dude. Nice and squishy. Probably infested with some old man's JDM butt. Actually, you wanna see something even worse? The guy who sold it to me had the car sitting out for years. So even though this car has like 28,000 miles on it, just got wrecked by the sun. Maybe I'll just buy a whole new seat back for this, but anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna say this once and only once. I know it's pronounced Brid, but I live in America and it's spelled B-R-I-D-E. I married a bride, not a Brid. So I'm gonna call them bride seats, and that's the end of that. Can you guys tell where we're at? I think we're at some kind of Japanese import place, boys. My favorite. There's that manly Tarzan hair. What's that, dude? All right, cool. Cool. These suckers came from the motherland too. So these came out of your R32. I love the fact that they were purple, and these are authentic, they're old. So just like my car, they have some tears and they need some love. It seems cool, it seems authentic, and these are real, genuine brides. They're not eBay brand with bride stitch on them. This is gonna be really, really tight, and they're super bolstery. You wanna pop a squat? Are you gonna hate him? You're gonna hate him? You don't like him already? Bucket seats are freaking cool though. You get clout in the car scene. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna go to the meet and everybody's gonna be like, oh, R33 and bride seats? And then I'm gonna be like, yep, my wife hates them. Oh. Yeah. Definitely not in the comfortable department. As far as the clout goes, you're gonna have so much. I've had a lot like fake, not fake, but like knockoff seats. And this is super like sturdy. So Wes, with the seat planted on the floor, I'd be able to like move the back and forth, and these even being probably like 10, 15-year-old seats, they don't move. Like they're super nice. Genuine bride quality, dude.
You're gonna hit your head like I hit mine the other day.
Oh! So I only have one bracket right now. This is driver's side. Cool. So I have a driver's side seat in today, and unfortunately I don't even have a bracket for the passenger seat. But today I think we're just gonna, Victoria's favorite thing in the world is cleaning. So you ready to get some stuff? You have like fabric cleaner and stuff. You have a steamer. We could steam these seats and make them all nice, because you can see like they're all, I mean, it's obviously pretty dirty. I think we can make it look really nice. Let's go ahead and transform these things. Okay, so we got the brides home. I keep calling them brides. I said I was gonna call them brides. I got the brides home, and first thing we're gonna do is try and just wash them off. I mean, just like looking at this, just like it's actually a lot of fun. Like, oh, ew. Ready? That's gross. So we're gonna clean that out. We probably should vacuum it first. And while we're getting this figured out, I'll start getting all this stuff out. One of my favorite parts about seat installs is diving in to the car and seeing what in the hell is under the seats. I found French fries. I'm pretty sure a prostitute's like meet me in the field type note. It was really weird. Some change and stuff like that. So maybe we'll have something good under here. So gross. Oh, nasty. There's a clear line.
So you can see.
Ew. Oh no! Ew! That's the nice thing about seat installs is they're always super easy. Didn't find any like prostitute notes in here. Really didn't want to have to encounter those, but cool. And actually it's moderately clean. Like I'm actually super surprised. I haven't even touched this. But anyways, we're gonna take the floor mats out and clean it anyways. These seem to be touching up pretty nicely. You can actually see the purple on one side, and then on this side, it's still nasty. Pro tip number 1 on building cars. Whenever you do stuff, you take stuff apart, you have extra bolts, don't throw them away. Because odds are you are 100% going to need them for something else completely different than what you thought in the future. I have this pile of bolts. This is from the Evo, it's from the SC, it's from the Miata, it's from literally everything that I've taken apart and put back together. I need hardware for the bottom of the seat to go into the seat itself. And I have a bunch of completely mismatching bolts to do that, but they're all the same thread. So, because I kept all this stuff over the years, I now have hardware for my seats, and I don't have to go to the parts store and spend 10 to 15 bucks.
That's just almost
Bud, are you going for a ride? Yeah? You having fun? I guess they don't really eat French fries in Japan. They kind of just eat like healthy. Whoa, you gonna be racist out here? What?
I was gonna be like, I wonder if there's rice left over from sushi.
Wow. Wow. So is there rice pebbles in here, babe? Yeah, you tell me. Seems a little bit racist to me. Do I want to feel something super special?
Yeah.
What is it?
Holding it up. You're holding a piece of land from Japan.
That came on my tires. I literally, I dropped some Japan. Where did it go?
Here you go.
I dropped it. Oh no, I dropped both Japans. Just Japanese grass. I can sell this to some white kid on the internet for probably like $400. This one cleaned up kind of nicely. We ended up not having to steam it. I'm gonna have Victoria go ahead and sew this guy up. This one cleaned up pretty well too. It's also got a couple tears, but it's not going in anyways. You can actually tell that it's purple now, and you can actually see like the stripes and stuff. You couldn't even differentiate the stripes, I don't think, before. I'm honestly so stoked that I have real pride. It's like, I get weird about that kind of stuff. Do you guys think it's weird that I just get psyched about stuff that's from Japan? I don't know. They're also a little bit lower than the original seats, so I'm hoping my short little butt, it won't be too low. I hope I'll be able to see over the dash. Holy crap. Seat brackets that fit. First try? What a concept. Never in my history of building cars have I ever gotten seat brackets that have fit right the first time. And these are made for a 32. Oh, hold up. Money. Oh yeah, what's up, Doug? Oh, is that an R33? Oh, with baride seats in it? Yo, hold up. Oh, ow.
Dude.
Oh, these are actually tight. They're like perfect.
You look good.
I'm so psyched about this. I was worried it'd be too, like, I actually feel like I'm in a better seating position than I was before. You wanna sit in them?
Sure.
This is so sick. You might have to scoot up just a little bit, but like,
Actually,
the way that these seats, so I noticed the way that these seats are designed, whenever you move forward, you naturally go up a little bit, and whenever you go back, you naturally go down a little bit.
bye.
See ya, dude. Have fun. I mean, does it feel kind of comfy? Like, is it a, eh?
It doesn't feel bad.
Once you're in the car, it's probably a little better.
Yeah. It's not like the ones that you have
I
in
love the
other.
purple. Unfortunately, the purple looks more purple than the car right now. The car, believe it or not, guys, the car is actually purple. I can prove it to you. It's just the worst purple you can ever imagine. So you can see a purple flake. You can see purple. Just to prove the point, it is a purple paint, but it's just worst paint job of all time. We're gonna get that fixed. Oh, that's so sick. I'm pretty excited right now.
This is his giddy laugh.
It looks so tight. Now I just need a quick release. I'm actually thinking about getting a holdfast. Some of you guys might know who holdfast is. Micah he holds the man line, the best man line at Hoonigan's. And I love his company, what it stands for. It's similar to us, like 5'3". It's a really cool background and really good intents behind it. So anyways, I'm thinking of getting a holdfast. Not too bad. Clutch, are you going for are you hanging out in your new seat?
We can't say the R word.
Yeah, if we say R-I-D-E, he goes nuts. Get in your seat. Oh, good boy. This is your favorite spot in the world. And show him how much you love going for. Are you my little helper for today? Are you my helper for this install? You've been so good, bud. Good boy, you want a treat? You've been so good. Yeah, high five. High five. I'm like way lower than I'm used to, which is totally fine. That's usually how these seats are. I feel super bolstered in. Oh, there's a pothole. I feel like super bolstered in, and it's really comfy. I like it. I actually like seats like this because it makes me feel way more secure in the car. It gives it a little more of like a race car-ish feel. And then the biggest thing is my seat belt. I need to get like an extension for it. You can check it out, babe. It's like way down there. We do the stair thing, the stair and drive, like they do on Need for Speed.
No. We're going around like a blind.
Even though these seats are probably just really old, it just feels so nice. Well, it is a little harder to get out of the car now. Oh, but it's worth it. I'm really psyched about these seats. I'm really pumped to get both of them in, but you know, it's just a process. I'm gonna have to special order some brackets for that one, but I'm super psyched. Guys, like this, I imported this car through JDM Buyer and RB Motoring. If you guys want any parts from Japan, usually they're a little bit cheaper over there. You just have to pay shipping, but what they do is they put everything on a big container with cars, and then everybody saves money. So if you guys want anything from Japan, I want you guys to check out the links I have in the description. Whether it's a car, whether it's parts, check out the link I have in the description. They can bid for you. They'll help you out, and they'll get you the stuff that you need. So they're awesome people, very, very awesome. There's a lot of companies out there that import cars and parts from Japan that are really sketchy, and they're horrible to work with. These guys are really honest, and honestly, they're my friends now. So I love the people, and I also just love getting stuff from Japan. Okay, so my daily advice for you guys today to end today's vlog is very simple. What's a good way to say this? Kindness and love is free, but it is one of the most valuable things to give out in life. You can't put a price tag on somebody just being nice to you. Like it barely ever happens to me. You know, I am just the receiving end of so much hate and so much ridiculousness that, you know, when somebody's finally just like in person kind for no reason, it's just like there's no price for that. There's no price to put on that. It's one of the most valuable things in the world, but it's the least expensive. It is absolutely free. Focus on being kind. It goes so far. Be kind to your brothers and sisters or your mom or your dad. Just be kind. Whether you think they deserve it or not, kindness. Focus on that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all. I love you all so much. Peace out. That's all. 2 videos, boys. I got 2 videos for you right in front of your face. I need you to watch them. If you already watched them, thanks. That's cool. But I have so many other videos for you guys to watch. Make sure you watch all of them. And don't click out of the channel. Keep watching some Evan Shanks content.